we have read about motion and its types and how to calculate the speed. Now next is average speed. But before that, just see here, do you know the two instruments which are provided in any vehicle? One is odometer, which records the distance moved by the vehicle, and the other one is speedometer, which measures the speed of the moving vehicle. Now, average speed. Sometimes we see that the object or the body is not moving in the same speed throughout the entire journey. That means somewhere it moves faster, somewhere it moves slower. That means the speed is more or less. It is not constant everywhere. Example you can see here, when traveling from Delhi to Chandigarh, a car move or a car may cover first 100 kilometer at a speed of 100 kilometer per hour. The next 50 kilometer at a speed of 60 kilometer per hour, and the last 100 kilometer at the speed of 120 kilometer per hour. That means the speed is not constant. It is changing in every hour. So to find out average speed, we have to divide the total distance traveled by total time taken. One example is given here. You can solve it in your copy. A car travels the first 120 km at a speed of 40 km per hour and the next 80 km at a speed of 60 km per hour. Find out the average speed. So what we have to do? First, we have to find out the time, as time is not given here. So time is equal to distance divided by speed. In each case, first we will find the time and then find out the total distance, and then to find out average speed, divide this total distance traveled by total time taken. Same as here in example 4. A bus covers a distance of 600 km with an average speed of 60 km per hour. Calculate the time taken by the bus to cover this distance. Simple. Total time is equal to total distance by average speed. So the time can be calculated. Next is uniform and non-uniform motion. As you see here, the object is moving at a constant speed. That means the speed is not changing. If the distance traveled by an object is equal in equal intervals of time, then the motion of the object is known as uniform motion. Here you can see that in each second, same distance is traveled by the car, 4 meter in every 3 seconds. So it is uniform motion. And when the car covers a distance of unequal distance in equal interval of time, then it is known as non-uniform motion. For example, here the car is traveling, the car covers a distance of 3 meter in the first 3 seconds, distance of 2 meter in the next 3 seconds, and a distance of 4 meter in the last 3 seconds. In this way, the car is traveling the unequal distance. So it is non-uniform motion. Generally, the motion of vehicle on a road is non-uniform motion because it is not possible to maintain there a constant speed.